pyramid shape. Now the both this all entire wall new one. Original wall is there. See the plaster one. That is the original wall, 35 height wall. Or no anybody jump, no anybody climb inside. So this is one of the safety wall. So only queen taking rest here. So we have 3 palace totally. Our entire Vijayanagara 1856 to 2017 when they digging up, they find 83 monument, 83 temples. Name. Now we are 46th one. So this is the place we are. Come. Palace, both are queen taking rest both time. So first palace was there, sir. Now just it was basement. Olden days it was multi-store building, wooden structure palace. Just basement was there. On the top there is a 2-floor wooden structure building, sir. Sandalwood, covered with the golden plates, sir. So that is one of the huge palace. One of the most popular dancer. He was taking rest here. Our second palace was here behind you, sir. So this palace name called by Jala Mahal. Jala Mahal means surrounding the store water between the 2-floor palace. The second queen used by second palace. Or both are queen. This palace used by only winter days, sir. Because winter days it was very heat inside. Because winter days outside cold, inside hot. So that's why winter days they both are queen use there this palace. In autumn days, summer days, both are queen use one palace. That palace name called the Lotus Mahal. Lotus temple in Delhi, Lotus palace in Hampi. So lotus shape, like a lotus flower shape. That's why it is named called a Lotus palace. Both are queen resting in the top floor or ground floor used by decoration. So decoration means top to bottom they put a cloth or between they put a lamp. In the top both are queen taking resting. In the both on the top there is actually 4 bedrooms, madam. Both are queen taking resting. Only summer days. In summer days they get a natural AC inside, sir. Natural AC means those days they had technical knowledge. There to 20-meter distance behind the tree there is one of the huge water tanks, sir. The huge water tank, man-made air pump pressure to water supply in the top. In the top there is a small pipeline. That pipeline made by mud pipeline, sir. So mud pipeline to water supply inside. Every day water running between the areas, sir. And then the flooring get a cold. In the totally top there is a totally 25 windows, sir. They get a cold windows inside. Then they feel like a natural AC. Our entire building they want to build, they use a 60 to 70% limestones or lime plaster, sir. That's why it is very cold. And then this palace natural like this. 15th century how they build. Now this time also it is natural shape. Because now destroyed. Because in Vijayanagara wherever Islamic style we have, that area not destroyed by Deccan Sultans. Main reason. Because this building we have 3 type of the style, sir. Hindu, Islamic, Jain architecture is there. So both are queen use resting in the top. There is also steps, sir, to climb in the top. Both are queen taking resting or both are queen no fighting because adjustment. Both are queen. Okay. And then madam, so when the queen are taking resting in this place, we have also 3 watchtower, 4 corner, 1 corner is fell down, 3 watchtower properly we have. So see right side 1 watchtower is there, and then left side 1 watchtower is there, and then left corner 1 watchtower is there. So this 3 watchtower used by special people are watch here. Uniques. So transgender, these people are they use watch in this area, madam. Because Raja they gave one concept, only that concept the following these people. They didn't listen anyone. In Akbar also we have there is also translator soldiers. In Vijayanagara also we have. And then queen want to enter inside, exit outside. There is a small entry gate. That entry gate now is closed. Our olden days the queen want to use by filter water. Nowadays also small village, old village, there also you can find water. Filter water means natural without electricity. That is well water. Still well is there. Still water is there. So in the top they put a fention, the gate, because all the people are throwing plastic bottles. That's why they covered within top. Still inside water. Olden days they use water this, sir. And this is a part of palace, sir. Queen palace resting. Outside the wall there is also elephant stable. Royal elephants they used to keep there, sir. That's we called elephant stable, sir. We'll take a photos and then we'll go that side. And then here we have to see elephant stable. Back to we are walking from that side. We are going to bus. After this, we are going lunch. Opposite one place, it is named Kadapa Elephant Stable. So Raja Krishnadevara in Vijayanagara Kingdom, we have more than 1500 elephant is there. So only royal elephant, one of the major special elephants they used to keep here, madam. Each room, each elephant. Each room to next room, driver want to see the elephant. They also use small entry gate from inside. Totally 11 rooms, 11 elephant is there. Royal elephants. Or this elephant not used by war. Only procession or function, only king want to go any temples, they use that time. So that elephant was here. Our other elephant, they used to keep in capital city, Vijayanagara capital city, Anegundi. Anegundi means elephant training center. So only major royal elephant they used to keep here, madam. Every each room, each elephant. In the top dooms, there is a different styles. Between the Hindu style, more one floor it is fell down. Hindu style, next one Islamic, next one giant shape. Our very important elephant, very important also elephant driver. That is the mouth, driver quarters. Now the quarters they clean up, they made a museum. So when they exhibit time, they found small idol, they kept in there. Or when they elephant want to take outside, they grandly decoration with the cloth colors. The decoration all was there. Or madam, one important things in Vijayanagara, one of the greatest festival, Dasara festival. Now Dasara festival having by in the Mysore. Originally, Dasara festival start by in Vijayanagara, great festival in Vijayanagara kingdom. Entire world, whatever activities, that all the activities going on from Vijayanagara kingdom. The Dasara today just exchanged by another styles. Just a procession today. Because olden days, whatever in Vijayanagara villages people are, they thinking we are in safest, very strongest kingdom. That they showing the Dasara festival like a parade, road show. All the weapons, all the vehicle transport, they showing the road show. Then all the people are thinking we are a safest kingdom. That is originally proper Dasara. Today just exchange Dasara. With include all the type in India world cultural activities they going on. Even out of country people are also, they came here, they showing some activities of the culture activities. For example, this says, see there, in the last stone, Mongolian people are doing some activities. Mongolian army, Mongolian people. That guy was standing there. And olden days, people want to find the water. They have to watch some carvings. So then they visit a water area. See, there is a fish carvings in the wall. Fish carving is there, which is the side of the face. That is the way to water. Those days, people want to find the water. They have to follow which fish. So this is a part of elephant stable, elephant palace. And then behind elephant stable, there is also a beautiful place to see. That is the name of called by temple of Jain temple. The 23rd Guru, Parsharvata, Jainism also we have, so many people are. And then there is one of the beautiful decorated gate. Our olden days, to make a Dasara festival, they have taken procession of the Jambu Savari. They get taken from this is away. So now today there is nothing is there. Just ruins. Means all the broken after the battle war of Talikot. So today this much is there. Totally 11 rooms inside at, the elephant stable. 11 rooms, ceilings, 11 style is there. Every each room, each different style. Look like a very small room. It is very big. Today, now modern days, we have a new elephant. We have to keep 2 elephants in one room. Olden days, only one room, one elephant. That much passes inside. So if you want, we have a 2-3 minutes. Go see that the room. Then take a photos. Come back again. We are exit from this way. Birbal. In Vijayanagara, 9 Diamonds, one of the comedy actor, Tenali Rama. He was the great minister of Vijayanagara kingdom. So he gave it a direction to build small watchtower. Everyone stand from there, will cover 1.5 kilometer from the entire area. That's one of the proper watchtower to Queen safety place. See in the top there's a small building was there. It is named called the particular name Tenali Rama Mantapa. So they give a direction to build in the top. It is look like a small sir, very big one, 15 feet sir. 15 feet. 1.5 kilometer entire area we can cover with view. So that's why it is named called Tenali Rama Mantapa. Our olden days Queen palace to next place they want to go. So beyond the hill, between the hill there is also way sir, pathway to royal pathway to reach by another temple. So there is a small watchtower you can find sir. There is a lot of watchtowers. One of the biggest watchtower in the top. Yes, Mantapa, Tenali Rama Mantapa. Come, we are going in. Proper queen taking a bath in the palace. So this is officially used by only guest people. They only guest. That's why it is named called by Queen's bath. Not queen bath, queens. All the queen at a time taking a bath like a swimming pool. Here to 1 kilometer big lake, Kamalapur lake to supply by water. Not directly allow inside water. One day they store water from outside the building. There. Because olden days water come, it is not very clean. Inside the mud. That's why one day they store from water outside, then all the muds go down. Fresh water they used to supply. Or in 4 corners, 4 pillars. So between they taking a bath. After the bath, water exit outside. See there is a hole. Or a facial queen, when they enter facial queen, they take a facial water, facial bath. Facial bath means rose water, sandal water. That water come by elephant face. There is elephant face. And then surrounding there is a balcony is there. This balcony is used by ladies. We not come some ladies na. That ladies they standing everywhere. They throwing a flower, sandal like a spa, massage center, like a spa center. Not this much in the top. There is a beautiful watchtower like that watchtower like a lotus flower shape. That all the watchtower fell down. Now this much is there. Okay, flooring, pillar recently renovation. Archaeology department. Only between the ceiling old one. Like this ceiling, 24 ceiling, 24 design is there. Every each one different, not similar. Just go explore one by one, see and then come back. Next we are going in museum. Then there also tea break, chai break.